Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Novacuire. Now, this is a stock that got a lot of play on Investors Business Daily today. It hit their leaderboard, new buy point, all of that stuff, and it did. Look, if you want to draw some lines here, the stock had a really nice channel breakout. This is the high here. This is the high here. So the stock's basically breaking through this November high and coming close to $100 here. So what's not to like about this? Look at the volume, over twice average volume. So this is a really good stock, and I think ultimately it goes higher. But here's the thing. I'm just saying, the stock's up 12% today, and it's right up against resistance, and it's had all of this play in Investors Business Daily, which is about 100 times more influential on the price of stocks than the Wall Street, journal. And so this has a big play. A lot of people watching this stock now and obviously trading it and buying it. I'm saying if you're long the stock, then great, stay long. But I couldn't buy a stock that's at $95 and it's up 12%. I have to sit and watch it. I have to wait. And so my suspicion is, or I don't know about suspicion, I'm just being honest with you. This is my suggestion. My suggestion is if you want to trade this stock, you got to let it go. You got to say, all right, the opportunity to buy was here. I didn't get that, but I can't buy it here. Instead, I'm going to wait. If the stock goes up a little bit without me, that's all right, because there's another train coming, really, really soon. There's always another trade, but I'm going to wait for the stock hopefully to peter out, and maybe not tomorrow, maybe not until next week. But I look at this, I see institutional buying. This is institutional buying. I want to be where the institutions are, but I'm not going to buy stock from them. I'm going to buy along with them. So wait for the stock to roll over or just to pause for a while, giving you some sense that there's a new equilibrium between supply and demand that's not up 12%. And then that's when you're going to buy the stock. So you got to wait a little bit, let this stock come to you rather than chasing the stock, okay? That's what I would do anyway. All right, now, yesterday we had several new members signed up the night before last because we talked about live trading, and so I took members on a little live trading session yesterday morning, and we made some really good money on some of the pot stocks, most of which are, they're up this year after the end of the year tax loss selling. So that's what's really going on now, and I think those stocks will ultimately continue to move. This is not just a one-day wonder here. So I think we're going to see a little more of a pullback here, but these stocks should ultimately start moving higher. But if you are not a member yet of Stock Market Mentor, check it out. It's a free 30-day trial. And my goal is to help you during your first 30 days, help you make enough money so that you're going like, geez, I wonder if Fitzpatrick has more than just an annual membership. Maybe I can get a deal if I get a 5-year membership. Answer, no, you can't. We don't do 5-year memberships. But thanks for asking.